Hello. In this video we're going to be talking about logarithms. And so looking at this function up here, y is equal to log base a of x. And what that means is that if we take a, the base a, to the y power, that results in x. Logarithms are useful for getting exponents by themselves. If we had a normal exponential function like y equals 2 to the x power, how would I get x by itself? And that's where logarithms come into play. So we would say log, our base on that is 2, of, our result is y, and that equals x. And so now we have x by itself. And so that's how that works. So the function f of x, log base a of x, is called the logarithm function with base a. And so let's evaluate each logarithm in the examples below. So in number 1 we have log base 2 of 32. And what it's asking, or what it's saying, is 2 to the what power equals 32. Okay, my base is 2, my result is 32, and what we get from equaling this, or from evaluating this, would be the exponent on 2. And so we find that it's actually 5. 2 to the 5th is the same as 32, so this logarithm is equal to 5. In number 2, log base 9 of 3, again, our base is 9, our exponent is unknown, and because it's of 3, that means our result here should be 3. So 9 to the what power is 3. And if we take 9 and square rooted it, we get 3. So our exponent on that is 1/2. So log base 9 of 3 is 1/2. Okay, and so that's kind of a basic introduction to regular logs. There are special kinds that we're going to learn about, and here they are. So if we have a log function with base 10, that is called the common logarithm. So you would say log base 10 of x. Sometimes it's written without showing a base at all. So like log x right there that you can see would be assumed to have a base of 10. So that's assumed to have a base of 10. Any logarithm function with the base of e is called the natural logarithm. So we have a special symbol for that. That is an ln of x. And so sometimes it's ln of x, or read as the natural log of x. And it's the same as log base e of x. And they mean the same thing. So to evaluate these things, we can use our calculators here. So log base 10 of 2 is asking us 10 to some unknown power is equal to 2. And what is that value? Well, I certainly can't figure that out. And if you look on your calculator, you'll have a log button. And so you'll hit the log button, and then you would just type the 2, and then hit your enter, and you'd come up with a value. And so log base 10 of 2 is approximately, I should say, approximately 0.301. Same thing applies for the natural logarithm. ln is a special button on your calculator. So you would hit ln, you would choose 3, hit your equal sign, and it's going to give you a value. And the natural log of 3 is 1.099. Okay, and what that is actually asking us is e to the what power, and in this case it's 1.099-ish, and that's going to get you a result of 3. So again, it's ish, so I should say approximately there. Okay, so that's your basic introduction to logarithms. For now, we are done.